Hello, this is Patrick from New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Very happy to have Rob on the channel today. He's going to give us a tour of his Ram ProMaster custom camper van. This one has a Vantopia kit inside of it. You guys got to see this thing. It is awesome. So join us for the tour.
Hey Patrick, Rob here. Thanks for having me on your channel. Really stoked to be here. Want to show you the brand new 2023 Ram ProMaster sitting on all-terrain Maxxis tires and a beautiful kit done by Vantopia. Let's first start with the floor, the insulated floor. Now what's great about Vantopia is if you just need a floor and you want to design the rest, you can get just the floor from them. But I went with everything because I wanted to be lazy with this build, and I already did 2 van builds and I could never do this. So let's start here with the kitchen galley. So what's cool about this, if we have water that we need from the outside, I can access it right here. And what I love about my little kitchen design is I went with a lot of the Dometic products. So I have water inside, but then I can and I'll show you once we get inside, I can undo the faucet, bring out a water jug, and can hang out here with some water. And check out these beautiful CNC, look at this hardware. I could never have done this at my house. And the beautiful birch wood here. So when we get inside, we're gonna talk more about each kit that you can get for your van, whether you go all out like I did or just order 1 or 2 things from them. So come on in, we'll show you more. So one of my favorite parts here, check that out. Look at all this room for extra activities. Standing desk, cooking prep area, you name it, whatever you're into. So I also wanted to show you swivel seats, but before that, see this metal track here? This connects into the van using the van factory crossbars and beams. So no holes needed into the van unless you want a fan or AC. So what's great is each kit you see here attaches to this, let's just call it an L-track. And you can do each and every kit what you want. So this would be considered one kit. Again, tons of storage. Beautiful CNC cut. Again, we just got it, so we're kind of still figuring out how we want to build it out and what's going in what drawer. So we'll jump over to the kitchen again. Here's what I was talking about. Just quick boom, take my water outside if I want. Put in a nice little splashback to make it a little more homey. This did not come with the kit, that was added. And then we move down here, just storage for days. Excellent latches. It's actually very quiet when we drive. Here's another way to get into all my water tanks. More storage here, recyclable. There's my portable gas tank for when I want to do some cooking. Slide this bad boy open. Look how big that is. Cutting board. And then here's my little camp chef. Basically pop it up here. I have a little hole made here to run the gas line and hooks up to that gas tank you've already seen. So I like that I have this workspace, hangout, whatever, and put away the kitchen when not needed. This is empty, but I'm going to show you my 75 big guy Dometic electric cooler fits right there. Still have to do some wiring. Again, look at this beautiful, beautiful wood. I could never have done this at home. So again, what's great about Vantopia, amazing guys to work with, but you could order, this is one unit, this is a unit, however you want it to work best for you. And the price point is amazing. So now we'll come down here. This is called the toilet pod. More storage again. Still trying to figure out with the shelves. We just got it about a week ago. This is called the oh shit drawer. So you pull this up, and it slides out. It's our toilet and our chains for when we get stuck in the parking lot up in Vermont. Hence the oh shit drawer. So slide this bad boy back. Boom, boom, easy peasy. So we got here is our coffee station, hot water station, and our Vitamix station. Come on down a little bit further. This is where all of our power lives. We got the Goal Zero Yeti Pro 4000. And it's getting energy when I drive, it's getting fueled. And the solar panels on the roof, again, Goal Zero. I have cushions being made by Mattress Insider out of Colorado. They're on their way. If you keep coming back, again, there's more storage here. On this wall panel is everything. Kind of show you what's happening with the power, sun in, what we're getting from the solar panels and whatnot. We have our lovely fan. Love this bad boy. It's on a little, go all over the place here. So next we have here's all of our power outlets. So lights, this controls our Wii Boost, air conditioning, and then I have a few other that you probably can't see, but right here is an outlet. Right here is an outlet. And I have another outlet all the way in the front by the driver's side, right up here on the wall. So you're never short of power or places to plug into. And here's some more storage and more kits. A lot of kitchen stuff. I have a big old few pots and pans up there, as well as drinkware. What I love, I'm a little under 6 foot, so I have plenty of room, but if you're a taller person and you sit and you hit your head, look at this. Just gives a nice little flex to it. So again, I got plenty of clearance, and obviously there's no cushions here, but if you're about 6'2", you might hit, and if you hit, it's gonna give a little bit, so it's pretty nice. Again, just more storage for days and more of these beautiful latches. Look at this. Again, for days. Oh, I also, hit me up on the gram at I Love Van Life. I got a bunch of stickers I'll mail you for free. Just drop me your address. And then let's talk more about this track because you can see it. It's a little more exposed here. Again, the whole kit is put on this. This metal T-slot, let's call it, L bracket, whatever you want to call it, attaches to the van. It uses the studs in the van. So this screws into that, and they use the holes in the stud. So again, no holes are made, and then all these kits attached to that. So this cabinetry work is all held right here onto the L-track. And living in New Jersey, lots of salt air, everything you make a hole in the van turns to rust. So it's great, no rust. And then we have our awesome, everyone knows about these tables, Lagoon tables, and then our benches, more beautiful woods, beautiful CNC cuts, tons of storage. That's where our gas tank lives because we have a hot water heater. When we go outside, we'll show you that, where we shower. Oh, we got more storage under here. This is where, it's not installed yet, but this is where our heater's going to live. You can see the holes are already made and the electrics ran. We got the S-bar heater. And what we'll do is that heater will live there. It ties into our gas line. And then there'll be a little cutout there where it shoots out the warm air. So when it's time for bed, you take these tables, they slide right off. And again, perfect fit right there. Look at that. Again, more cuts and work I could not do at my house. Guys at Vantopia killed it with the perfect cut. And then what we have next for the hot days, up top, our Jet 3 series from Dometic. Listen to this bad boy hum. Oh yeah, some good white noise to sleep too. All right, let's talk about insulation. Now that table's back on. So the whole van under this beautiful, lightweight, easy to clean ceiling is Havelock wool. You can see some of it's still exposed. I have some fabric to add there, but this stuff is super easy to work with and you can touch it. You're not gonna get all itchy. Smells like a farm too, kind of cool. So right there is a Havelock wool. These are things I added. Got some really cool, about 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter thick with insulation. And I sprayed it with some heavy duty 3M and put some Duramax tweed fabric on. I went with the dark color black because when the doors are open and it's messy out, the ski resort parking lots, they get pretty dirty. So again, I have more of it on this door as well because as you know, all the cold air comes in through the doors and it's very hard to insulate them. So highly recommend those from Legend Fleet. So coming outside, this is kind of our outdoor slash shed slash gear locker. Went with the Exo system from our friends Yakima here. So this fits tons of storage bags. I can even get my inflatable kayak in there with other bags. This is our snowboard rack because it is winter and it's ski snowboard season, even though it hasn't really snowed yet. And then come along to our back area. Tons of light sneaks in here. We have more storage. This is kind of where a lot of electronics live and I got to clean it up a little bit more. But way up in there is where the big old Goal Zero Yeti 4000 is. And then over here, this is where we will shower. This is our hot water guy. So we have up top, we will be installing the road shower. and we're gonna have a small line run down. It simply connects right here at the bottom, and there's a little hole back there that the gas line, it's a portable 20-pounder that connects right into here. I don't have it in yet, but that's where it'll live. And it's a great brand out of Australia. And they sell this whole kit, super affordable, a couple $100, and it ties right into the gas line. You can have hot water wherever you go, throw up some magnets and water shower, and you're good. And up top, what I love, another thing Vantopia did, is instead of drilling more holes into the ceiling, they ran all the solar through the backup camera / brake light, this little box. And again, here's our 200-watt Boulder, 2 in the back, 2 in the front from Goal Zero. Come around, and it's all attached to the backwoods roof rack. We have the ladder here, and I'll let you guys come up, but I'll show you right now. 2 of the Boulder 200 solar panels here. We have an open space here is where the road shower is going to live. Our Dometic AC. We got our Wii Boost, and then 2 more solars in the back. Super sturdy ladder. Love the backwoods design. All right, coming to the front, I want to show you guys one more thing. One of my favorite parts about the van. A little license plate. Remember, we're all a bunch of kooks. Just get out there and have fun. If you guys want to follow along, join me on my journeys, please do. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Everything is at I Love Van Life. Make sure you check out at Vantopia or vantopia.com to learn more about their kits, starting anywhere from 5,000, 6,000 all the way up to about a little under 20 grand. You can get a full kit like this. They offer you install if you get the van to their factory, or they can send this out to you on a pallet and you can do it by yourself in your driveway, but just send them the van, have them do it. And yeah, that's all I have for you. Patrick, thank you so much for having me on your awesome channel. Keep up the great work, brother. Love you, man.
Rob, I appreciate the opportunity today to showcase your van. I featured a couple van kits before, but this is pretty spectacular. I like the quality of the materials and how simple it is. Like, look at this.
It's beautiful.
When you open this up, it just has regular hinges, but like no cabinet latches. It's just this piece, and gravity keeps it down. And the quality of the materials is spot on. I like the floor kit too, because someone's building their own van and they don't want to do the floor themselves. They can just buy that.
The floor is one of the hardest ones. After hacking around in my driveway, doing a few vans over the years, I had previous ProMasters. It save some coin, look around, but definitely go with one of the kits, especially Vantopia. They were the best to work with. They let me build it the way I want, and you know, they made recommendations, and it was just a joy from start to end.
And then off camera, we were talking a little bit, like there's a shower kit you could buy, so you could have a full bathroom if you wanted.
Yeah, they put it here. Pantry. Basically, their full shower kit goes here. Plenty of elbow room. Again, check them out at vantopia.com or on their Instagram page. They'll show you, I mean, plenty of elbow room. They had it's a built-in toilet as well. And they do full water stations and all, but again, I wanted to keep it simple with the Dometic in and out. But yeah, they can build it any which way you want. But the main thing is their materials are, you know, all CNC cut. It's absolutely beautiful.
I'll leave links in the description. Rob, thank you very much for the time.
Oh, yeah, before you leave, definitely hit me up if you want some of those free stickers. And Vantopia will be offering a discount code if you do I Love Van Life. They're taking a few $100. I believe it's about $300 off any kit you order from them with I Love Van Life. So check them out.
I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, brother. Peace out.